Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change who can see your post on Facebook. You may not want all of your friends on Facebook to see every post or story you create. As a result, it's important to understand who can see the Facebook post and stories you create now and how to change who can see your post and stories going forward. Thankfully, Facebook makes it easy to change the audience of your posts or stories. First, let's walk through the steps to change who can see your posts on Facebook when you update your status on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap What's on Your Mind to update your Facebook status. The Create Post screen is displayed. The audience indicator telling you who your Facebook posts are currently shared with is located directly beneath your name. Step 3. Click the Current Audience indicator to see more information. The Select Privacy screen is displayed. Click See All on this screen to see the full list of options. The option for who your posts are currently being shared with features a blue check mark to the left of it. Choices include making your post visible to the public, making your post visible only to your friends, making your post visible to all of your friends with the exception of specific people, only making your post visible to specific friends, or making your Facebook post visible to only you. Step 4. Click to place the check mark next to the option you want to change your Facebook post going forward to be visible to, and then tap Done. In this example, I'll choose Only Me. You'll be returned to the Create Post screen where you'll see your new sharing option displayed in the Audience indicator. All of your Facebook posts going forward will be visible to this group by default, but you can always change it. Now let's walk through the steps to change who can see your Facebook story post on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Tap Add to Story on your Facebook home screen. The Create Story screen is displayed. Step 2. Walk through the steps to create a new story until you arrive at the screen previewing your Facebook story before you post it. Tap Privacy on this screen. The Story Privacy screen is displayed. A blue checkmark is displayed next to the option for who will be able to see your Facebook story. Options for who you can choose to view your Facebook story include making your Facebook story visible to the public, making your story visible only to your friends, choosing Custom where you can define who your Facebook story is visible to, or choosing specifically who to hide your Facebook story from. Step 3. Click to place the checkmark next to the option you want to change your Facebook stories going forward to be visible to, and then tap Save. A Change Story Privacy dialog box is displayed, informing you that going forward this change will be applied to all future Facebook stories you post. Step 4. Click Change. You'll be returned to the screen where you preview your existing Facebook story. All Facebook story posts going forward will be visible to the audience you selected by default, but you can always change it. Let me know what your favorite social media platform is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.